Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to change currency on Kraken app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Kraken application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Kraken application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change the currency, it is very easy. For that, you'll have to access the settings. So in order to do that, first of all, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. In the section for settings, at third, you'll be able to find the option for preferences. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the preferences interface. You'll be able to find the options like currency, language, theme, number format, etc. Simply tap on the first option, that is currency. Now you'll be able to see bunch of currencies over here. Simply tap on the currency that you want to change to. Now you can see over here the currency will be changed. You can simply go back. The changes will be saved. So like this, you'll be able to change the currency. So that is how you change currency on Kraken app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.